If you look at the Venture Medical Kits 1.0 First Aid, Medical Supplies, and Survival Tools, I've added quite a few more things to it. Let's open up and take a quicker look. Look at a couple of things I've added to it. I've added a cotton swab, extra stretch bandage gauze. I think this one came in it. It's like an ace bandage. Got this little ice cream scooper for earwax. I don't know why, but I threw that in there, and I threw in an improvised homemade SWAT T tourniquet. Comes with a little survival whistle, cheap little compass. Should probably take that out, but I'm going to leave it in there just in case if you're injured. The whistle will travel further through the woods than your voice will, and the compass, who knows. Then I added in a Bic lighter and a little Ziploc bag, and then they give you the little med kit that came with it. A couple acetaminins, anti-bite itch thing, and then of course I threw in a pair of nitrile surgical gloves. Things, I haven't checked this kit in years. God only knows why I have a tooth dental whitening strips in there. A Natrapel insect wipe. This stuff really works to keep the bugs away. And a cotton mask. And inside this bag, they call it a bleeding CPR kit. Gives you the ABCs of first aid CPR. Let's open this up and see what's in here. I think I've added a few more things, but it's been so long, I don't remember. Like we got some Castle soap for cleaning, disinfecting, some paper tape, pair of tweezers. I threw in a whole bunch of Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes. I don't know why there's so many of those. Piece of moleskin, 2 more Band-Aids, butterfly stitches. What's this one? I think this is the 3rd butterfly, yep. Some larger bandages. I think I threw those in. Maybe they came with the kit. They might have came with the kit. First aid gauze, gauze swab, gauze swab, gauze swab, and the little card fold out that tells you what to do, different injuries. If you don't know anything about first aid, forgot it's stuck in between the pack of surgical sponges. Heaven forbid you're going to operate on somebody because there's no suture kit in here. A little package of Blistex. Let me put all this back together now. Haha. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like it, share, and subscribe. I could use all the supporters. Thank you.